Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Beyond Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in beyondbank.com.au and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Beyond Bank. Now from the homepage, click on the login button at the top right corner and this will take you into the login portal. Now from the login portal, type in your membership number within the member number box. This number is given to you while you create a new account and sign up. After entering this, type in your account password within the password box underneath. And now click on the login button and you will be logged into your Beyond Bank account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the Forgot Password option underneath and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Beyond Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.